7 amazing times when lionesses hunt and eat their prey alive. Watch what will happen. A herd of lions is like a large family and is led by a strong male lion. In a herd, the task of hunting prey is largely taken up by the lioness. If you consider lions as super predators, then lionesses will be excellent hunters. Hello everyone! Today's video will show everyone the moments of hunting in the wild of lionesses. This herd of buffalo was noticed by a lion when the lioness rushed over. The buffalo ran away. The lion aimed for the last running buffalo, and although it managed to bite the buffalo's back, but still let it escape. Thinking of losing its prey, who would have thought that there was a buffalo that did not know the amount of strength to go back and gouge the lioness? It took the opportunity that the other buffalo rammed and ran away, biting its neck. The lion held the buffalo for a while, but finally, his companions in the lion herd came to help handle the buffalo. The buffalo was caught by 3 lionesses who, despite trying their best to fight back, even managed to stand up. But they could not escape these 3 fighting lions. They used their bite force to restrain the wild buffalo. The lioness had been lying here in ambush all this time. When the wildebeest passed by, it rushed to attack the prey. The lion successfully chased a wildebeest that had left its herd. After a few minutes of chasing, the lion bit the antelope's neck and pinned it to the ground. This unlucky zebra was surrounded and captured by a pack of lions. Although its body was subjected to sharp bites from a lion, it still tried very weakly to run. As a result, the lions dragged them deep into the forest and killed them. At this point, the zebra has completely become the dinner of the lions. Watching them enjoy the horse, it is easy to see that the number of lions in the herd can be up to nearly a dozen. This video clearly shows how lions kill their prey. These lions have just hunted wildebeest. One will be responsible for biting the wildebeest in the neck, causing it to suffocate and leading to death. The other lions in the herd hold the wildebeest to support the other. But this poor wildebeest was still not dead. When the lions were not paying attention, it still struggled to fight. The endings are still inescapable. Two African buffaloes are being captured by a herd of lions. One was lucky to escape, but one was chased by a lion and bitten on the back of the body. Buffalo is a species with good physical strength in the herbivorous world, so after only a few shakes, the buffalo was able to knock the lion out of its body. Because it is an animal with very good physical strength, the lions also have to be wary of wild buffalo that have not yet dared to attack. The lion chases the African buffalo into the forest. Perhaps this will be very difficult prey for the lions to swallow. This lion is catching prey in the cave. The lion discovered this is a rather large cave, so its owner may be a medium-sized animal. The lion immediately burrowed into the cave. Looking at the lion's hard appearance, it is easy to guess that the cave is dug quite deep and the battle under the cave must be very fierce. After a while of fighting, the lion pulled its prey out of the ground, a wild boar. Fight in the territory of the wild boar, in addition to its sharp fangs that continuously attack. But if the lion still wins, it is impossible not to recognize it as a professional hunter in the animal world. The lion is the only social member of the cat family. They live in groups or herds of lions. The lionesses will coordinate with each other in the process of hunting. The video today comes to an end. If you find it interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to see more great videos. Bye, thank you, and see you in the next videos.